what impact, if any, has your memory of the Holocaust had on your sense of Jewish identity?
Well, a number of things. First of all, I told you I have a twig of a tree. It's not only because father was a single child and mother was a single child. It's because the total extended family was murdered. So I was deprived of cousins and all sorts of other relatives. So that's a legacy, a negative legacy, but it fashions how I think. The other, I must tell you, and this is not a popular view with a lot of my friends, but I'm going to be very frank with you. It makes me understand that I am not safe in the world outside of Israel. Now, do I really think that America is going to turn on me the way Germany turned on the German Jews? I don't really think it will happen. I really don't believe it. Do I think it's within the realm of possibility? You bet. I don't think there's any place that guarantees, not inclines, guarantees the eventual survival of the Jew unless the Jew has a homeland. America has been good to me. I love America. I have strong patriotic feelings. I pay my taxes dutifully, and I stand up when the Star-Spangled Banner is. But Israel is my people and my country and my land, even without Yiddish.